Hi, I'm Kelsea Brennan-Wessels, and welcome to Earth from Space on the European Space Agency Web-TV. Today we take a look at the product of an active underwater volcano just off the southern coast of the Canary island, El Hierro. The volcanic plume discolored the surrounding waters, and the muddy water has reached El Hierro's shores. Residents on the island are feeling the frequent tremors occurring several times a day and have reported seeing dead fish floating in the water. Residents have also reported seeing offshore explosions spewing meters above sea level. The potential for toxic gases emitting from an underwater volcano has prompted authorities to close some of the beaches on the island. But why are volcanoes called volcanoes? The word comes from Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. The Romans believed he lived under an island near Sicily, and that the volcano there was a chimney for his underground workshop where he made weapons. The chimneys are visible on the volcanic Canary Islands, formed by the Canary hotspot. The archipelago consists of 7 main islands, some of which are visible here, and several smaller islands. This image was acquired on November 9th by ESA's Earth-observing satellite ENVISAT. And that brings us to the end of this edition of Earth from Space. We remind you that we broadcast online every Friday at 10 o'clock Central European Time and can be viewed on our website or through the ESA app on your mobile device. From the ESA Web-TV studios, I'm Kelsea Brennan-Wessels.